Ever wondered how AI tools like ChatGPT are turning everyday people into millionaires? Stick around because in this video I'm breaking it all down for you. From simple side hustles to fully automated businesses, I'll show you how to get started, even if you're a total beginner. Trust me, the AI revolution is here, and it's creating massive opportunities for anyone ready to jump in. Let's get started. Let's talk about the top ways people are building wealth with AI right now. And hey, these aren't just ideas, they're proven strategies you can act on today. 1. AI-powered content creation. First up, content creation with AI. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Canva's AI features are making it easier than ever to create blogs, ebooks, and social media content. For example, creators are using AI to churn out high-quality content at lightning speed. This means you can freelance, start a niche blog, or even launch a YouTube channel without spending hours on brainstorming or editing. Quick tip, focus on trending niches like personal finance or health to maximize your reach. 2. Smart bots, big bucks, AI automation. Next, automation tools, platforms like Zapier and OpenAI APIs allow you to streamline workflows, saving businesses time and money. Think about automating customer service with AI chatbots or setting up an AI tool to handle email marketing. Businesses will pay a premium for solutions that make their operations run smoother. Here's a pro tip. Position yourself as a solution provider for small businesses. Learn a few key automation tools and offer to implement them. You'll be surprised how quickly you can charge 1,000 plus per project. 3. AI for e-commerce domination. Now let's talk about e-commerce. AI is revolutionizing this space with tools for inventory management, dynamic pricing, and personalized customer experiences. For instance, tools like Shopify Magic or AdCreative.ai help entrepreneurs optimize ads and product listings. This means higher sales with less manual effort. Watch out though. Avoid over-automating. Keep the human touch where it counts, like customer engagement. 4. Personalized AI consulting. Here's another big one, consulting. Businesses of all sizes need help understanding how to use AI to grow. If you can learn the basics of AI tools and applications, you can position yourself as an AI consultant. Start small by offering services like AI-powered marketing strategies or workflow optimization. Many consultants charge anywhere from $50 to $200 an hour, and that's just the beginning. 5. AI-driven courses and tutorials. Lastly, create and sell educational content. People are hungry to learn how to use AI tools effectively. Whether it's a detailed course on mastering ChatGPT or a simple guide to automating tasks, you can monetize your knowledge. Use platforms like Teachable or Gumroad to get started. Let's look at some real-world examples of people cashing in on AI. Meet Sarah. She used AI tools to automate her dropshipping business, scaling it to $100,000 in just 6 months. How? She combined AI-driven product research tools with automated ad campaigns. This allowed her to focus on scaling instead of micromanaging. Then there's Mark, a digital marketer who started offering AI-driven ad strategies to local businesses. With tools like AdCreative.ai, he increased his clients' ROI by 30%, earning himself 6 figures in consulting fees. All right, you're probably thinking, this sounds great, but where do I start? Let me give you some insider tips to kick things off. 1. Top tools for beginners. For content creation, try ChatGPT and Canva AI. For e-commerce, check out Shopify Magic. And if you're exploring automation, Zapier and Notion AI are game changers. 2. Free learning resources. Want to upskill? Platforms like Coursera and YouTube offer free courses on AI basics and applications. There's no better time to invest in yourself. 3. 30-day plan. Here's a challenge. Set up your first AI-powered side hustle in 30 days. Week 1, learn a tool. Week 2, apply it to a small project. Week 3, find your first client or product idea. Week 4, scale. It's that simple. What's your AI business idea? Drop it in the comments below and I'll personally help you refine it. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Next week, I'll be diving into AI side hustles that pay big in 2025. You don't want to miss it. Remember, the AI revolution isn't just for techies, it's for anyone ready to work smart and win big. So go out there, keep learning, keep earning, and visit theaimarketingschool.com for more resources and tools to get you started. See you next time.